Okay, well, this is the Robo Impact in action. I got it off of eBay. I forget if it worked when I got it, but anyways, it needed new brushes. I ordered new brushes, put them in, and seems to work good. So yeah, you can see it in action. Oh, and these are the older 12-bolt rims. Oh, hey. Wow, that didn't sound good. I guess that's just what it sounds like when it has to work harder. Thought it was broken for a second, but we're good. I wonder if I should have not spun them off all the way and loosened them all up just slightly to begin with. Let's put one back on next to it. Well, there we go. Robo.